Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to share images from Airtable records to Telegram. So in this case, I want whenever a new record with image is added in my Airtable account, automatically that record should be shared on my Telegram group as well. So to automate this entire process, we are going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect, in which we need to connect a trigger and an action. So in this process, our trigger application will be Airtable and our action application will be Telegram. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here you can see my Airtable record which I have created with the caption as New Summer Trends, and I have attached an image here. So in this case, I want whenever a new record is added in my Airtable record with the image, automatically that record should be shared to my Telegram group with the image as well. So here you can see in my Telegram group, I have received the image with the caption. So to build this connection, I need to connect my Airtable with my Telegram. And to build this connection, I am going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. You can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. After signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to connect my applications, I need to build a workflow. And here to build a workflow, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button that is given on the top right corner. Now here in this Create Workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as Share Images from Airtable Records to Telegram. And now I'm going to select my folder as Automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this Create button. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow with the name Share Images from Airtable Records to Telegram. And here you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action, where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here for my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as Airtable and my trigger event as new record. And now to connect my Airtable with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Airtable account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Airtable. So here Pabbly Connect is requesting Airtable access. So for that, firstly here I need to add a base. So as I have already shown you that I have created my base with the name social media post. So moving back to Pabbly window, and here I'm going to click on this add a base. And here I'm going to search for my base that is named as social media posts. And now after selecting the base, here I'm going to click on this grant access as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. Now here after building a successful connection, moving forward, and now here it is asking me for base name again. So as I have already told you that I have created my base with the name social media post. And now after selecting the base name, here it is asking me to select my table. So for that, let me take you back to my Airtable. And here you can see I am using my table which is named as Telegram. So moving back to Pabbly window, and here I am going to select my table as Telegram. And now after selecting my base name and table, I'm going to add a new record in my Airtable. So here I'm going to add a new record by clicking on this add button. And here I'm going to give a caption as new dress launch. And here I'm going to add an image. For that I'm going to click on this add attachment. And here I'm going to click on this local files. And from here I'm going to click on this browse files. And here I'm going to select an image which I have already downloaded in my PC. So this is the image which I have downloaded, and now I'm going to click on this upload one file. So here you can see I have successfully added an image in the record. So moving back to Pabbly window, and now I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the ID, image width, height, URL, file name, size, thumbnail URL and other details. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to action step. And here I'm going to select my action application as Telegram bot. And here I'm going to select my action event as send a photo, so that whenever a new record with image is created in my Airtable, automatically that should be shared on my Telegram group. And now to connect my Telegram bot with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Telegram bot account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me for a token. So here following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Telegram account. And now here to receive a token, I'm going to create a new bot. And for that, I'm going to search for the bot father. So here I'm going to select bot father. And from here, I'm going to click on the start. And here you can see it has sent us some commands to control the bot father. So here to create a new bot, we are going to type this command. So here I'm going to click on this command. And here you can see it says, all right, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. So here I'm going to choose the name as social media files. And here you can see it says, good, now let's choose the username for your bot. It must end in bot like this, for example, Tetris bot. So here for the bot name, I'm going to select the bot name as Pabbly int 345 bot. And here you can see it has successfully created a new bot for us. And here it has given us a token. So here we are going to copy this token. Moving back to Pabbly window. And here I'm going to enter the token. And now after entering the token, here I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see after building a successful connection, moving forward. And now here it is asking for a chat ID. So here to get this chat ID, let's go back to our Telegram account. And now here in our Telegram, what we are going to do is, firstly, we are going to activate our bot by simply clicking on this link given. So this is my bot and I'm going to activate it by clicking on this start button. And here you can see we have successfully activated our bot. Now after activating our bot, we are going to create a new Telegram group by clicking on this button, new group. Here I'm going to add some members. So here I'm going to select some members. And now I'm going to add my bot. So here I'm going to search for my bot name, that is social media files. So this is my bot and here I'm going to create a new group. Here I'm going to give a name to my group, that would be new social media post. And now I'm going to create the group. And here you can see we have successfully created a new group with the name new social media post. Now after creating the group, what we have to do is that we need to create the bot as admin so that bot can send the messages here easily. And to do that, I'm going to use my phone and make the bot as admin. So here I have successfully created the bot as admin, and to show you that, let me click on this profile icon. And here you can see I have successfully created the bot as admin. So moving back. And after creating the bot as admin, you can see we have received the chat ID of this group in this URL. So here we are going to copy the chat ID. Moving back to Pabbly window, and here I'm going to enter the chat ID. And now here after entering the chat ID, it is asking for a caption. So here I want the caption should be similar to the one I have entered in my Airtable record. So moving back to Pabbly window. So here, instead of entering this caption manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I will map the data from the response I have received in my Airtable. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever a new record is created in my Airtable, automatically this previously existing details will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the caption. So for that I'm going to search for the caption. So this is the caption. Moving forward, and now here it is asking for URL or file ID. So here I'm going to map the image URL. Moving forward, here for the parse mode I'm going to select HTML and disable notification as no. And now after entering all the required data, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. So now let's go and check our Telegram group. And here you can see we have successfully received the image with the caption new dress launch. So with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, we need to create a new record in our Airtable. And for that, let me take you back to my Airtable. So here we are going to create a new record by clicking on this add button. And here I'm going to give a caption to my new record. So here my caption would be summer sale. And here I'm going to add an image for my sale. Browse files, and this is the image. So here I've selected my image and now I'm going to click on this upload one file. And here you can see I have successfully added a record. So now let's go and check our Telegram group. Here I'm going to refresh this window. And here you can see we haven't received the new file yet. That is because here the Airtable is a pooling based application. That means it will capture the new response in the next 10 minutes. So now let's wait for some time. So here it's been some time. So now let's go and check our Telegram group. And here you can see we have successfully received a new post with the caption as summer sale and the image. So with this we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger as Airtable and an action as Telegram bot. So that whenever a new record with the image is created in our Airtable, automatically that post will be shared on our Telegram group as well. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clue link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.